I'm trying to reupholster. Well, I'm trying to recover these pillows. And this is my cat. She will. I need to sit down this edge. I got your ball. I got your ball. You terrible little fiend. Look, you're getting dirt on it. And fluff. All the fluff in the frickin' world on your frickin' tummy. I know, you're so cute. But I need to cover these pillows. I want to cover the pillows. I want to cover the pillows. I want to cover them. Hello.
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 She's being a pain.
It's red, therefore it must be mine.
It's a pillow, so it must be hers. She's our Egyptian princess. She lived in the times of Egyptian. She, You biting me? Are you biting me?
Yeah.
There you go, she's off. Oh, no, she's back on. You're terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Close up with the face and your ear. She's like, I ignore you.
Let me know what you thought of it down below.
One pillow. Stop being Philip DeFranco. One pillow. Done. It's only taken me like, I don't know, 2 hours. I've left the strip of Velcro free. The sewing is probably tragic. But it's there. It's done. I'm going to upload a video and then I'm going to go to sleep now.